Alright guys, this is going to be a very quick video. This is to do with having a aftermarket stereo in your Honda Civic Type R or FN2 or Mark 8 from 2006 to about 2011. And the issue is this baby over here, setting the clock and the date. So I was trying to figure it out for ages, and normally you would do it through the stock stereo, but we don't have that here. So what you actually do is you do it through the steering wheel control. So make sure you get a patch lead for the steering wheel control. You can get a Connect 2, make sure you do that. And then when you press the mode button, which is here, you will see that flash. So press and hold and you'll see it flash, and then volume up and down to change what you want to change, and then the channel up and down to change the values. So 17, 16, and then you can just press mode and hold again and you'll see it stop flashing, and we are done.